Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today I'm going to be showing you some NBA 2K26 locker codes working right now. These are by far the best locker codes for 2K26, allowing you to get tons of free stuff, including free VC. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos and trying all of the available locker codes, and the ones that I'm going to show you are brand new and working and are by far the very best. But before I show you how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am always searching for brand new 2K26 locker codes. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, guys, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain your locker code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly, guys. COLDCOUPONS, Cold Coupons. And it's going to bring you to a awesome game code website. They actually have hundreds of different pages. I've used them previously for 2K25, and I started to play 2K26, and this was my first stop to find codes. So you've got to go to the search bar and search for the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. As you can see, this is a really popular page, guys, with thousands of people using these codes. So go ahead and scroll down, and you can see you can get different things, guys, including VC. So you can get 450,000 VC, and you can get other things as well. So just select the code you want. This locker code is definitely the best one that's currently working right now. And yeah, I searched high and low, guys, trying tons of different codes. Most codes give you very little or don't even work. Especially on YouTube, people tend to clickbait locker codes. So to unlock your 2K26 locker code, you need to basically reveal it. As you can see, it is unlocked. It is hidden and it needs to be unlocked. These are because these are limited codes, and considering what they give you, it stops people taking more than one 2K26 locker code. So click on get full code, and what it's going to do, it's going to load up a new page here that tells you exactly how to unlock your code. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below. Now, as you can see, guys, these tasks are completely free, and they're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps and playing games. Very easy and simple. I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes. You do just have to make sure you follow the instructions below each one and complete 2 of them. And if you do that, it's going to send you back to Cold Coupons, and your NBA 2K26 locker code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here, and you can redeem it in game. And this one is going to give you 450,000 VC for free. There are other codes as well. So go to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the NBA 2K26 locker codes page, and enjoy, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.